Now we will see the question number 27, that is example 9.8. Two hockey players of opposite teams, while trying to hit a hockey ball on the ground, collide and immediately become entangled. One has a mass of 60 kg and was moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second, while the other has a mass of 55 kg and was moving faster with a velocity of 6 meter per second towards the first player. In which direction and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled? Assume that the frictional force acting between the feet of the two players and the ground is negligible. So let us see the answer. Let the first player be moving from left to right. So the first player is moving from left towards the right. By convention, left to right we are taking as positive, and thus right to left will be obviously negative. We can see the figure 9.19. If symbols m and u represent the mass and the initial velocity of the two players respectively, subscripts 1 and 2, in this case physical quantities referred to the two hockey players. Thus m1 is equal to 60 kg, u1 is equal to 5 meter per second, and m2 is equal to 55 kg, and u2, see the sign is minus 6 meter per second. So the total momentum of the two players before the collision, we are knowing that formula, m1 u1 plus m2 u2. So that will be equal to 60 kg multiplied by 5 meter per second plus 55 kg multiplied by minus 6 meter per second, and that comes out to be minus 30 kg meter per second. Now, if v is the velocity of the two entangled players after the collision, the total momentum will be equal to m1 plus m2 in the bracket, because they are now joined or entangled, multiplied by v. So that is 60 plus 55 multiplied by v. So that is 115 v kg meter per second. Now we know the law of conservation of momentum, that is momenta before collision will be equal to momentum after collision. So we can say that 115 v will be equal to minus 30. So v comes out to be minus 30 upon 115. So v equal to minus 0.26 meter per second. Thus the two entangled players would have moved with velocity 0.26 meter per second from right to left. See, the negative sign is there, that is in the direction the second player was moving before the collision.